Hello friends. Welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे क्लासिकल डांस एंड इम्पोर्टेंट डांसर ऑफ इंडिया। फ्रेंड्स, यह वीडियो आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Here, the list of 8 classical dances with their states. 1. Bharatnatyam, State Tamil Nadu. 2. Kathak, State Uttar Pradesh. 3. Kathakali, State Kerala. 4. Kuchipudi, State Andhra Pradesh. 5. Manipuri, State Manipur. 6. Mohiniyattam, State Kerala. 7. Odissi, State Odisha. 8. Satriya, State Assam. Now the list of important dancers of different classical dances. First, Bharatnatyam. Important dancers are Rukmini Devi Arundale, Savita Sastare, Yamini Krishnamurthy, Padma Subramaniam, T. Balasaraswati, Alamel Valli, Mrinalini Sarabhai, Malika Sarabhai, Lakshmi Viswanathan, E. Krishna Iyer, Anita Ratnam, K. Venkatalakshma, पार्श्वनाथ उपाध्याय, गीता चंद्रन, सोनल मनसिंह, रुक्मिणी विजय कुमार, हरिणी जीविथा, अड्यार के लक्ष्मण, लीला सैमसन, कुमारी कमला, बिरजू महाराज, वेंपति चिन्ना सत्यम, के कल्याणीकुट्टी अम्मा, उदय शंकर, गुरु बिपिन सिंह, सीमा करमानी, रेवांता साराभाई, इंद्रानी रहमान, प्रतिभा प्रहलाद, राजश्री वारियर, रागिनी देवी, सुधा चंद्रन, सुकन्या रहमान, विजयंती माला बाली, एम के सरोजा, शांता एंड वीपी धनंजन। Second, Kathak. Important dancers are Kunjukuru, Gopinathan, K. Pannikar, Sanata Rao, Kanak Rele, Ragini Devi, Rita Ganguly, Kalmandalam Gopi, Kalmandalam Krishna Prasad, Kottakal Shivraman, Kalmandalam Ramanakutti Nayar, Kalmandalam Vasu Pesharodi, Kavungal Chathunni Panika, Mukumda Raja, Mrinalini Sarabhai, Madhur Vasudevan Nayar. Third, Kathak. Important dancers are Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi, Shovna Narayan, Shambhu Maharaj, Shashi Sankla, Rajendra Gangani, Rani Karna, Sunyana Hazarilal, Durga Lal, Maya Rao, Saswati Sen, Gopi Krishna, Rohini Bhate, Uma Dogra, Mohan Rao Kalyanpurkar, Geetanjali Lal, Prarana Shrimali, Damyanti Joshi, Uma Sharma, Roshan Kumari, Kumari Kamala, Lachu Maharaj, Maharaj Ghulam Hussain Kathak, Ram Gopal, Seema Karmani, Uday Shankar, Sonal Mansingh, Nahid Siddiqui, and Kumudini Lakhia. Fourth, Odissi. Important dancers are Kalicharan Patyanayak, Kelucharan Mahapatra, Sutapa Dasgupta, Sanjukta Panigrahi, Indrani Rahman, Sonal Man Singh, Minati Das, Priyambada Mohanty, Geeta Mahalik, Sujata Mohapatra, Madhavi Mudgal, Surendra Nath Jaina, and Shobana Sahajananan. Fifth, Manipuri. Important dancers are Guru Bipin Singh, Savita Mehta, Nirmala Mehta, Darshana Jhaveri Sisters, Devjani Chaliha, Amla Shankar, Amubi Singh, Bino Devi, and Rajkumar Singhajit Singh. Sixth, Kuchipudi. Important dancers are Guru Vempati Chinna Satyam, V. Satyanarayan Sarma, Raja Reddy and Radha Reddy, Malika Sarabhai, Deepa Shashindran, Vijayanti Kashi, and Josyula Seethrameha. Seventh, Satriya. Important dancers are Srimanta Shankardev and Ghankanta Bora Borbayan. 8th. Mohiniyattam. Important dancers are Kalmandalam Kalyanikutti Amma, Sunanda Nayar, Kalmandalam Radhika, Thankamani, Kalmandalam Haimavadhi, Dr. Kanak Rale, and Pandit Gopal Prasad Dubey. Important MCQ on classical dances and dancers. 1. How many classical dance forms are officially recognized in India? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer: D. 8. 2. Which of the following is not a classical dance of India? A. Kathak. B. Bharatnatyam. C. Bhangra. D. Odissi. Answer: C. Bhangra 3. The dance form Kathak originated from which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Answer: B. Uttar Pradesh. 4. Who is known as the father of Indian classical dance? A. Rukmini Devi Arundle. B. Uday Shankar. C. Birju Maharaj. D. Bala Saraswati. Answer: B. Uday Shankar. 5. Bharatanatyam originated from which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: A. Tamil Nadu. 6. Kuchipudi dance is associated with which state? A. Odisha. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Answer: C. Andhra Pradesh. 7. Who is known for promoting the Odissi dance form? A. Birju Maharaj. B. Kelucharan Mohapatra. C. Uday Shankar. D. Yamini Krishnamurthy. Answer: B. Kelucharan Mohapatra. 8. Who is known as the Doya of Kathak dance? A. Rukmini Devi Arundle. B. Birju Maharaj. C. Yamini Krishnamurthy. D. Kelucharan Mohapatra. Answer: B. Birju Maharaj. 9. Rukmini Devi Arundale is famous for which classical dance form? A. Kathak. B. Bharatnatyam. C. Kuchipudi. D. Odissi. Answer: B. Bharatnatyam. Thus, who is known as the Abhinay Queen in Bharatnatyam? A. Rukmini Devi Arundale. B. Bala Saraswati. C. Mrinalini Sarabhai. D. Shovna Narayan. Answer: B. Bala Saraswati. 11. Who was the first Indian dancer to receive the Padma Vibhushan? A. Uday Shankar. B. Birju Maharaj. C. Rukmini Devi Arundale. D. Kelucharan Mohapatra. Answer: C. Rukmini Devi Arundale. 12. Who among the following was a famous Manipuri dancer? A. Jhaveri sisters. B. Alarmel Valli. C. Padma Subramaniam. D. Shovna Narayan. Answer: A. Jhaveri sisters. 13. Padma Subramaniam is known for which classical dance? A. Kathak. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Odissi. D. Manipuri. Answer: B. Bharatanatyam. 14. Who introduced the concept of Bharatanatyam? A. Sonal Mansingh. B. Padma Subramaniam. C. Kelucharan Mohapatra. D. Sitara Devi. Answer: B. Padma Subramaniam. 15. Raja and Radha Reddy are famous for which dance form? A. Kathakali. B. Kuchipudi. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Odissi. Answer B. Kuchipudi. 16. Which Kathak dancer was known as the Kathak Queen? A. Sitara Devi. B. Shovna Narayan. C. Mrinalini Sarabhai. D. Birju Maharaj. Answer A. Sitara Devi. 17. Guru Gopinath is associated with which dance form? A. Mohiniyattam. B. Kathakali. C. Odissi. D. Bharatanatyam. Answer B. Kathakali. 18. Which Indian classical dancer was also a Rajya Sabha MP? A. Sonal Mansingh. B. Rukmini Devi Arundle. C. Padma Subramaniam. D. Birju Maharaj. Answer B. Rukmini Devi Arundle. 19. Which classical dance form is inspired by temple sculptures? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Kathak. C. Kuchipudi. D. Odissi. Answer D. Odissi. 20. Which classical dance has both Tandav and Lasya elements? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Kathak. C. Kathakali. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer A. Bharatanatyam. 21. Kathakali is famous for its A. Expressive eye movements. B. Heavy makeup and costumes. C. Fast footwork. D. None of the above. Answer B. Heavy makeup and costumes. 22. Which of the following is the main theme of Bharatanatyam? A. Warrior tales. B. Mythological stories. C. Folk tales. D. Court performances. Answer B. Mythological stories. 23. Which classical dance is known for its Lasya style? A. Kathakali. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Odissi. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer D. Mohiniyattam. 24. Mohiniyattam is a dance form of which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer B. Kerala. 25. The instrument commonly used in Kathak performances is A. Mridangam. B. Pakhavaj. C. Tabla. D. Veena. Answer C. Tabla. फ्रेंड्स यही है इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQ। फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड हमारी वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।